Here's why I avoid Capital One Travel for mile redemptions. And my better alternative: transparency notice about our recommendations. Here's something that might surprise you. Even though we could easily promote every credit card under the sun, we deliberately choose not to. But here's where it gets controversial. We actually receive financial compensation from many credit card companies, whose offers you'll find featured throughout our website. This financial relationship directly influences which products get prime real estate on our pages and how prominently they're displayed. Yes, even the order you see them in. Now, before you start questioning our integrity, here's the part most people miss. Every single piece of credit card analysis and information we publish comes from seasoned financial experts who have dissected these products down to their finest details. Our team only gives thumbs up to credit cards we either personally use in our own wallets or would confidently recommend to our closest family members. But let's be completely honest about what we don't show you. Our site doesn't feature every credit card company that exists, nor does it showcase every available offer currently floating around the marketplace. We're selective, and that selectivity is influenced by our business relationships. Want the full scoop on exactly which advertisers we partner with and how we generate revenue from these relationships? You can dive deep into our comprehensive advertising policy, where we lay everything bare. Curious about our systematic approach to evaluating and rating credit cards? Our detailed credit card rating methodology breaks down our entire process step by step. So here's my challenge to you. Does knowing about these financial relationships change how you view our recommendations? Should transparency about compensation make you more or less likely to trust our advice? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious whether you think this level of disclosure helps or hurts when you're making financial decisions.